Hello friends, I Rahul Tripathi, faculty of MBA department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on demand forecasting. So friends, demand forecasting is an assumption of demand in future. By using demand forecasting, a company makes suitable plans for upcoming challenges or demands and takes suitable action to tackle them. The tools or methods used to forecast demand are of the following two types. So these are quantitative techniques and second is qualitative techniques. So first one that is which we are going to discuss is that is the quantitative techniques. So these techniques are used for both short run and long term forecasting. However, for short and long term forecasting, this method can further be subdivided as per forecasting type. The following are the tools for short run forecasting. So first one that is moving average method. This method is used to plot a trend in the demand. In this, average demand of different time frame is taken, for example 2 years, 3 years, etc. for getting an assumption of future demand. Second is exponential smoothing method. This method is mostly used for short term forecasting. It is derived from moving average and modified. It is based on weighted average of observed value. It smoothens the trend where weighted value remains between 0 and 1. Next is time series analysis. So the time series analysis is commonly used for long term demand forecasting. The following are some of its components, that is seasonal variation. In the seasonal variation we have cyclical variation, random variation, irregular variation. To measure the components of time series, the following three methods are used. These are semi-average method, moving average method and method of least square. These methods can be used for time series analysis as per demand forecasting requirement of an enterprise. Next method is the econometrics method. This method for demand forecasting is an analytical method. In this method, different methods of economics and mathematics are used to forecast the demand. This method provides the liberty to assume multiple variables, so it is more accurate in real business situations. Next type of techniques which we are going to discuss is the qualitative techniques. So first one, that is buying intention survey method. In buying intention survey method, the survey is conducted on the product. Several questions regarding the product are formulated. The participants are asked for reviewing, rating the product based on different criteria like taste, preference, cost, expectations, etc. These reviews are summarized and a report is prepared for consumer demand of the product. Last is the Salesforce opinion method. So in Salesforce opinion method, different territorial sales demands are collected to forecast the demand of a product. Then individual territory demand is combined to produce a final report of the market demand. This method is difficult to execute due to improper skill of salesmen. However, with appropriate skills, accurate predictions can be forecasted. So friends, I hope you understand the concept of demand forecasting. Thank you very much.